Has this ever happened to you? You're traveling with friends in Berchtesgaden, and everyone has a different adventure planned for the day. Ming wants to climb a mountain and take pictures. David and Anna want to find a river and enjoy the sun. And you just want to find a Rhein-Height-Spot Weizenbach. Because you don't go to Berchtesgaden without trying the Rhein-Height-Spot. The problem is my phone has no service in Berchtesgaden, and I still want to know what my friends are doing. That's why in this adventure, we each brought a goTenna mesh. Once paired with your phone, goTenna mesh generates its own radio signal so you can send text and GPS locations using a simple app. No towers, routers, or satellites required. Sent and received. I can send a direct message to David, a group chat to my friends, or broadcast to any goTenna in the area. goTenna has great point-to-point communication range, but with this groundbreaking mesh networking technology, it's possible to double or triple your range by hopping through other goTenna mesh units in the area. You don't even need to know the other users or do anything. It's automatic and private. So I'm able to receive a message from Ming, who's on top of a mountain, because our friends and other goTenna mesh users act as relay points between us. Imagine using this at a music festival or on the slopes. The possibilities are endless. Unlike traditional communication networks, goTenna mesh actually gets stronger the more users join it. We call this people-powered connectivity. One more to go, please.
The last thing you want when spending time in your backyard are uninvited guests, like mosquitoes. Candles and torches don't seem to work. Sprays are messy and unpleasant. Instead of stopping mosquitoes on your skin, what if you could stop them in flight before they can bother you? Introducing Thermacell Patio Shield. It surrounds you with a 15-foot zone of mosquito protection, and it's so easy to use. Patio Shield uses a fuel cartridge and blue Thermacell repellent mats that contain a version of a natural insect repellent found in chrysanthemums to keep mosquitoes away for hours. First, remove the cap from a fuel cartridge and insert it into the Patio Shield. Next, slide the repellent mat into place. Then, twist the base to turn on your Patio Shield. Wait a few seconds and twist to the start position until it clicks. Finally, check the view window to see that the flame is lit. The heat generated by the fuel cartridge is directed to the mat, activating the repellent. After a few minutes, the heat disperses the repellent, creating a zone of mosquito protection. Each mat lasts up to 4 hours. When the blue mat turns white, simply replace it with a fresh one. Once you're ready to turn off the Patio Shield, simply twist the base to the off position. Millions of users trust Thermacell to keep mosquitoes away, and so can you. Thermacell stands by our products and their effectiveness with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So say goodbye to sprays and say hello to Patio Shield. Turn it on, mosquitoes gone.